Tracking your spending doesn't have to feel overwhelming or tedious. In fact, with the right approach, it can be a stress-free habit that transforms your financial future. Today, we'll break down how you can easily keep track of where your money goes without feeling buried in spreadsheets or overwhelmed by numbers. Start by choosing a simple system that works for you. Apps like Mint, YNAB, or even the Notes app on your phone can help you monitor spending on the go. If you prefer a more tactile approach, a small notebook works just as well. The goal isn't perfection, it's consistency. Next, set categories for your spending. Think of broad buckets like housing, food, transportation, entertainment, and savings. Don't overcomplicate it. The simpler, the better. Begin by recording your purchases daily. Take 2 minutes at the end of your day to jot down your expenses. This keeps it manageable and prevents the buildup of forgotten transactions. Automate as much as possible. Link your credit cards or bank accounts to budgeting apps that automatically categorize your transactions. This minimizes manual input while giving you a clear picture of your spending patterns. Establish a weekly check-in routine. Dedicate 10 minutes at the end of each week to review your spending. Look for trends. Are you overspending in certain areas? Are there subscriptions or expenses you can eliminate? A quick weekly glance keeps your finances on track without stressing over every penny. Here's the game changer. Reframe how you think about tracking. It's not about restrictions, it's about awareness. By knowing where your money is going, you're empowering yourself to make better decisions and achieve your goals faster. Tracking your spending doesn't have to be stressful. With a simple system, daily habits, and regular check-ins, you can stay in control of your money without feeling overwhelmed. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your finances transform. Subscribe for more personal finance tips, and remember, mastering your money starts with mastering your mindset.